Vibe coding with Base 44. Have you been hearing the term vibe coding and not really understanding what it means? My name is Neetu, and in this video, we are going to learn what vibe coding is, why it is such a game changer, and I'll also show you some examples so that you can build your own apps from scratch, even if you are a complete beginner. At its core, vibe coding is a conversation-based way of building apps. Instead of writing code or dragging components on a screen, you simply tell the AI what you want, using your own words, and the AI creates the app structure, the data, and even the logic. You learn basic coding concepts by seeing how they are actually used. Think of it like having a friendly developer sitting next to you, listening to your idea, and helping you build it. For example, I want a habit tracker where I can add habits, mark them as completed every day, and track my streaks. Or create an invoice dashboard where I can upload invoices and approve them quickly. Now, here's why vibe coding is such a big deal. There is very little learning curve. You don't need to know syntax, functions, or data structures. You just chat, and you get real app logic. Not just screens. Traditional no-code tools make the design part easy, but the logic part is still hard. Vibe coding handles both. It's also very easy to make changes. If you want to change something, you just say it in simple language. And if you don't like the changes, you can always go back to an older version. Vibe coding uses natural language, which means if you can explain an idea, you can build it. This allows rapid prototyping. You can go from an idea to a working app in just a few minutes. This is great if you are learning coding, or if you are an entrepreneur, a student, a small business owner, a teacher, or a content creator. Now let's look at a few examples to see how this actually works. The first example is very simple, but also very useful. Can create daily habits, track my consistency over time, view monthly and yearly progress, and reflect on my personal growth. I'll just give the prompt. It will take a little time. And now you can see our habit tracker is ready. Because this is vibe coding, we can always make changes after the first version is created. It only takes a few minutes to build the app, and it feels like a developer is building it for you in real time. You can even watch the process happening on the left-hand side. Once your idea comes to life, you can see the app preview right here on your dashboard. If you want to make any changes, it's as simple as typing your request in the chat window. Base 44 keeps the preview screen very clean, but you can also access all the code that was created for you. For beginners, this is extremely helpful because you can see how simple language is converted into real coding concepts like variables and functions. So if you want to learn how to code, this feels like learning with support wheels. You instantly see the code version of what you explained. Vibe coding is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to learn coding concepts without writing every line of code yourself.